Creamy and comforting baked cheesy vegetables made with oats flour and lots of colorful veggies. Let's get started. Let's start by chopping the vegetables. Take carrots, peel them and cut them into medium-sized pieces. Trim the ends of the French beans and chop them. Cut broccoli and cauliflower into medium florets. Make sure they are cut into similar sized pieces so they cook evenly. Add some green peas and sweet corn. You can also use baby corn if you like, or any other vegetables of your choice. Give the vegetables a quick wash and they are ready to steam. For steaming, add some water in a steamer. Place the vegetables and steam them for around 10 minutes. Check them in between. We want them just tender, not mushy. Once done, keep them aside. Now let's prepare the white sauce. Heat a pan and add a little olive oil. Add 3 heaped tablespoons of oat flour. Cook the flour for a minute on low flame. We make this oat flour by lightly roasting oats and grinding them into a powder. Now slowly add 1 glass of warm milk while stirring continuously. Add a glass of hot water and whisk well. Make sure there are no lumps. Keep whisking until the sauce turns smooth and slightly thick. Once the sauce thickens, turn off the flame. For the seasoning, add salt, but be careful as cheese already contains salt. Add dry garlic powder, mixed herbs, a little Parmesan cheese, black pepper powder, and mix. Now add in the steamed vegetables and gently mix so the sauce coats them nicely. If the sauce feels too thick, add a little water or milk to loosen it. Keep in mind it will thicken more while baking. Finish with chopped spring onion greens and a little celery. Now transfer the mixture into a baking dish and spread it evenly. Sprinkle breadcrumbs on top for a nice crispy crust. Add some mozzarella cheese over it. You can also use processed cheese if you prefer. For a light glaze, we'll add just a little butter on top. This is optional. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Once baked, take them out carefully. And that's it. A wholesome baked cheesy vegetables with a beautiful golden crust is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Till then, eat well, live well and stay blessed.